In this video, I'd like to talk to you about workplace accidents. Now, most employers work very hard in order to keep their employees safe. They structure work habits in accordance with the laws and regulations set by the state and local governments. These laws keep workers safe from harm and injury. However, when the system fails, it is important to understand that there is protection for those injured on the job. When a serious personal injury occurs, not only can the mental and physical damage keep one out of work for an extended period of time, but the bills it can incur can be devastating financially. Doctors can be very expensive, even with insurance. The time off work can be covered by workers' compensation. However, this seldom pays the full amount. Companies will tend to dodge compensation for those who have been injured at their workplaces. Personal injury attorneys can help recover lost wages, as well as pain and suffering, which can be caused by a workplace injury. It should be mentioned that workplace accidents tend to be well-documented occurrences. However, anyone who suffers an injury at work should also keep their own record of the accident. This record would include when, where, and how the person has been injured, the out-of-pocket costs, as well as the lost wages. The level of pain and suffering should also be recorded. Making a successful personal injury claim can require an in-depth understanding of the laws and precedents of cases of the past. Employing a personal injury attorney to help you with your personal injury claim can make the claim process much easier for someone who has recently suffered a work-related personal injury. Among the important pieces of work injury litigation, the process is establishing fault. Fault is just what the word implies. Who was at fault for an injury? If a work-related injury was caused due to the negligence of a company, either by poor following of practices or poor guidelines, the company may be found at fault. On the other hand, at times an employee can be found at fault for their injury. Circumstances which may find an employee at fault for their injury would include intoxication or failure to provide reasonable precaution. These definitions can be obscured at times through legal jargon. In these cases, an attorney can fight for an injured party's rights so that they are able to receive their due compensation for pain and suffering, lost wages, or a debilitating condition. Lawyers are able to ascertain what the long-term damages of a personal injury may be, as well. If an individual settles with a company with no lawyer to represent them, it is unlikely that they will receive proper compensation, as the company will give what they feel the injured party will take. Companies generally dislike having to go to court and are willing to settle out of court if what the injured party is asking seems to be reasonable, in order to avoid drawing unwanted attention from the media. For more information on work-related accidents and filing a claim for construction or industrial accidents, you can visit our website at www.unifiedinjury.com. Again, that's UNIFIED injury.com.